Now we would like to discuss about one more concept, ionic product of water. It is denoted by the symbol is Kw. Okay, before Ostwald law is completed, Ostwald, what are the limitations of Ostwald dilution law? Ostwald law is applicable for only weak electrolytes. The value of K comes out for weak electrolyte, the constant only for weak electrolyte but not strong electrolytes. That is the drawback of Ostwald dilution law. Okay, now what is ionic product of water? What is the universal solvent? Water is it behaves like both acids and as well as a basic nature. Proton donation is considered as a acid. Proton acceptance is also called base. Now I am taking here ionization of water. What happens, sir? Ionization of water. Now I am taking water molecule which can dissociate into H plus and OH minus ions. Okay, this is the dissociation of water molecule or ionization of water molecule. Okay. You can observe that by applying of law of mass action here, the equilibrium constant or ionic equilibrium constant K, the product of concentration of product to the product of concentration of reactant at a constant temperature. This is the law of mass action. Okay, what is a weak electrolyte? It can behave as a acid and as well as that is a donation of proton and acceptance of proton. It can dissociate into H plus and OH minus ions by applying of law of mass action. K is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus ion by concentration of H2O molecule. Okay, here you can observe that the dissociation of water takes place a small extent. The concentration of undissociated molecule transposing that side, K into concentration of H2O is equal to the concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus ion. Okay, this term is a constant of water that is called Kw. Now I am taking here. Okay, this is the formula of ionic product of water. How to define the ionic product of water, sir? The product of concentration of H plus ion and OH minus ion at a constant temperature is called ionic product of water. How to define? Kw is ionic product of water. The product, it is defined as the product of concentration of H plus ion and OH minus ions. Its value is found to be, what is the value of Kw? 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 14 mole per liter whole square. At a normal temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius at room temperature. At room temperature, constant temperature 25 degree Celsius. Now, individually if you take 1 liter of water, now I am taking here, if the concentration of H plus ion becomes concentration of OH minus ions, then the solutions are called neutral solutions. Their pH value is equal to 1.0 10 to the power of minus 7 mole per liter only. In case If the concentration of H plus ion is lesser than the concentration of OH minus ion, then the solution is called basic substance or basic solution. The air value also 1.010 to the power minus, it is a, no need to value here, basic substance. And third one is concentration of H plus ion is greater than the concentration of OH minus ions, then the solution is called acidic solution. Acidic solution. Kw, so ionic product of water, is depending upon the temperature. Okay, what are the interesting features of Kw? It is independent of the nature of the solution. Does not depends on the nature of the solution. Independent of the concentration of the solution. Okay, Kw does not depends upon the nature of the solution and as well as the concentration of the solution, but it depends upon the temperature. As the temperature increases, Kw value also increases. In case the Kw value 1.0 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of minus 14 at 25 degrees Celsius, that the pH value is equal to the 7 approximately. That is pH is equal to 7. In case the temperature is differ, same water, the temperature is at 60 degrees Celsius, the Kw value is changed. Same water at temperature is 60 degrees Celsius, the Kw value 1.0 10 to the power of minus 30 decreases. As the temperature increases, the ionic product of water value is change. That's why we can observe that the pH value also changes, lies between 0 to 13, but not to power minus. We can observe that, we can conclude that here, we can observe that the pH decreases with increasing temperature. The temperature increases, pH value is decrease. As the temperature of human body 37 degrees Celsius, the pH of neutral solution is 6.82. pH scale lies between 0 to 13.6. This is information about ionic product of water. How to define the ionic product of water? Simply, the product of concentration of H plus ions and OH minus ions at a constant temperature is called ionic product of water. Thank you.